If you're thinking about investing in Iconosquare for social media management and analytics, there are a few things you absolutely need to know to make the right decision. Stick around because we'll also share a better alternative you can try for free. First thing, Iconosquare is well known for its analytics, especially for Instagram and Facebook. It gives you detailed performance insights, but the metrics are mostly catered to visual platforms, so if you're managing Twitter, LinkedIn, or TikTok, it might not give you the depth you need compared to tools like Sprout Social or Hootsuite. Next thing, the scheduling feature is straightforward and easy to use. However, it lacks some of the AI-driven optimizations you'd find in alternatives. For example, tools like Later and Buffer suggest optimal posting times based on audience behavior, while Iconosquare relies more on user-defined times. The third thing, Iconosquare's reporting templates are beautiful and easy to customize. This is great for client presentations. That said, some competitors like SocialBee offer more advanced automations, so it depends on whether presentation or automation matters more to you. The fourth thing, while Iconosquare supports multi-account management, it's not ideal for large teams. Tools like AgriPulse or Sprinkler offer better collaboration features with team workflows and permission settings. Next thing, pricing. Iconosquare is competitively priced, but only if you're focused on Instagram or Facebook. If you need analytics for multiple platforms, you might find yourself paying more for less compared to platforms like Zoho Social. The sixth thing, user experience. Iconosquare's interface is sleek and intuitive, but beginners might feel overwhelmed by the amount of data presented up front. For simpler dashboards, Buffer or Sendable could be a better fit. Next up, customer support. Iconosquare offers email support and an FAQ section, but live chat isn't available. Competitors like AgriPulse provide faster and more personalized support, which can be crucial if you rely on timely assistance. The eighth thing, hashtag tracking. Iconosquare allows you to monitor hashtag performance effectively. However, newer competitors like Keyhole specialize in hashtag analytics and might give you deeper insights. Next thing, competitor analysis. Iconosquare lets you benchmark your performance against competitors, but it's limited in scope. Advanced tools like Rival IQ provide a much broader range of competitor insights, especially for multi-platform campaigns. The 10th thing, mobile functionality. Iconosquare's mobile app is decent for on-the-go management, but it's not as comprehensive as apps from Later or Hootsuite, which offer nearly full-featured mobile access. Next up, influencer insights. Iconosquare doesn't have built-in influencer tracking tools, so if influencer campaigns are part of your strategy, you may need to integrate with a separate tool like Aspire or BuzzSumo. Finally, updates and innovations. Iconosquare is stable, but isn't as quick to introduce new features as some competitors. If you're looking for a tool that stays ahead of trends, something like Sprout Social might be more future-proof. In conclusion, Iconosquare is a solid option if your focus is primarily Instagram and Facebook analytics. But if you need more advanced features, multi-platform support, or better collaboration tools, there are better solutions out there. Check out our recommended option, which you can try for free, to see if it fits your needs better.